in a place called Connecticut. Unbelievable sunrise this morning here between Branford and Guilford, Connecticut. November 1st, 2017. You're with Deborah K. Levi. Get with the program. This is amazing. It's a sky show here this morning on the famous Leeds Island Road in Branford, Connecticut, Guilford, Connecticut. Let's look across the street. Some of the wildlife. Here we are at sunrise. It's probably around 10 after 7 this morning here on a Wednesday morning. Look at this phenomenal sunrise. Need I say any more?